Okay, this might be a lot easier, in fact. I made this a lot more difficult than I needed to. Okay, that's good for soldering. Miracle of miracles. Okay, last one. That should solder nicely. Okay. What do you say we take a look at those and see how they came out? I'm not sure you would know what you're looking at exactly. It's kind of a weird picture. Okay. I'm quite certain that's good. Oh, wait a minute. It's a little light on solder now, doesn't it? The magnifier never lies. If anybody's doing this work and they're not magnifying what they're doing and looking at it, particularly if you're in my age range, yeah, it was soldered, just, well, just not so good. Not sure why that's not flowing quite as nicely as it should. It's soldered good though. Yeah, okay. Put these guys into a better orientation. Better. Just increasing the clearance between a grounded wire and the good. Okay, there won't be any hum now. So we should tape up these wires down here before we go any further. Go. I'm assuming that that damage was caused by a soldering iron. It looks like it. Well, I guess that's not an assumption then. But I could be wrong. I wonder what else could cause something like that. You see, that when you're kind of doing investigations, you have a tendency to stop investigating when you're satisfied with the answer you have in front of you. It seems normal at first, but actually, just because you're satisfied with the answer doesn't mean it's right. For instance, you may not have all the information yet. Okay, let's give it another try. And I'm going to start it on current limiting again. So we're up about just under 90%. Just under, we're probably around 95 volts. Still a bit of a hum there. Speaker. Okay, I'm going to try and change the band switch here. let's we're gonna have to look at possible noise sources here. And a wafer switch might be. Let's see. It seems pretty good from what I can tell. The noise there. Possibility is a tube. How about that one? This guy. So we'll cut the power. Give it a moment. Lift him out. Very gently. 6J5. Yeah, see, I don't think I have a replacement for this guy. I don't think I have to replace him. Yeah, that's just fine. A little rusty on the top, eh? I think it's come from another set, 6SQ7. I don't think it lived in this one because I'm taking these out and putting them back in because I know that has a dramatic effect on the connection, that alone. Have to. This guy might be a little hot here. A little corrosion on this guy. That would be because he's hot. Going through the tubes one at a time. Very good. Okay, so this big wrench might seem like overkill. If I had my littler one, I'd probably use it, but I'm just not sure where it is. I'm not going to go hunting for it. But one thing this does do is it gives a very definite feel of the switch. It really locks in nice. It's quite clear. So you can hear it nicely. as opposed to using a handheld wrench that's kind of slipping and sliding a little bit. Also going to help me figure out what band's what. So I'm just going to put a little contact cleaner on these switches here. These look just beautifully clean. This one I can see. I've used too much of this in my shop here. I'm getting fumed out. Okay, I'm going to put it up there where it's a little better, safer on that setting.